a weekend in Awka. My name is Chidima Osai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. So I traveled to Awka for the weekend, and I stayed in the park for so long before we finally moved, and I got to enjoy my favorite part of every trip, which is allowing the air pass through my hair and blow through my face. I love that part. When we got to this part, I was just scared, because what if all these unknown gunmen or kidnappers come out from this bush? What will person say? This was when we arrived Awka. Awka is kind of beautiful, but bad roads everywhere. I went to church in Awka, and it was during that church that I realized that children are trying very well. So it was still me trying to look for where to go and have fun. I went though, but it was not fruitful. That was on my face. Now I went from fresh to dark because it was not fruitful. I was not really excited. Went to somewhere enjoying Awka nightlife. This place is called Ibiza. It was fun. I enjoyed myself. It's beautiful. And this is me trying to dance to music that I don't even know. But as you can see, me smiling from here to here, I sure enjoyed myself during this trip. So yeah, this was the DJ, and the DJ played some cultural dance. This DJ was so mad. It was really, really good. I enjoyed myself. So it was now me going to the cinema to have a good time. Like, how can I travel without going to the cinema? Is it possible? Hell no. I saw the movie The Brotherhood. Did I enjoy it? I loved it. Not just enjoy. So these are the movies that they had on. You have to choose one and pay for it. It was me paying. Then my popcorn and my Sprite to the movie. I went to Annabelle Cinema. This was me waiting for my ride after the movie, because there are two cinemas and sometimes they get mixed up. This was me trying to come back to Enugu. Traffic, Shabado. Then this is just me showing you the environs of Awka. You see, I told you Awka is kind of nice and pretty. Don't mind this road you are seeing. The only good place that has a good road in Awka is just that main road. Other roads in Awka are useless. Let's unbox this. I got this from Ring Light in Enugu. So let's start with my razor. So if you want to get yours, you have to simply go to Instagram and at Ring Light in Enugu. Yep, that's where I got mine. I'm going to add it to the screen so that you see. Okay. These are two pairs of tripod stands. I'm going to use this one for my LED light and another for my already damaged ring light, my 10-inch damaged ring light. So yeah. Pro LED 600. I'm super excited, honestly. And I'm wondering why I've not thought of this angle ever since, because this is so nice. Let's just go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is the charger. Cord for the charger. For tight. Battery charger. And the beauty herself. So let's start fixing. Okay. Let's start from the top. I don't keep it because honestly, I think I did a pretty good job with that one. It's good. You could stand this way or you could use this as well. Basically what this does is to help you with the adjustments in case you wanted to slightly, you know, slant a bit, bend a bit. Anyhow, this is what you use. And I know I'm going to want that, so just add everything. Tighten the spot. Make it tight. I like to make it straight, then tight. Like so. Then bring it back. Turn and twist and twist and twist and twist and turn. Just the way you can see. It's pretty tight. Yep. Tighten this place some more. And we're good to go. I don't have lights. If I had light now, I don't have lights. So I don't have light right now. If I had light, I'll be testing this right now. Oh, I don't have light, so I can't test it. But gently, yes, I would love to. We good, we good, we're growing. From one LED light to 2 LED lights. Before you know it, we get another light. Amen. And this was the best time this product to actually take the lights. Yeah. I try to keep this in here, but honestly, it doesn't work because I end up removing and not caring.